Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Vivo V29 Lite for an elderly person. To set it up for an elderly person or unexperienced person, go to Settings, then go to Lock Screen and Wallpaper and Simple Mode. This will enable you to make your phone work in a simple way, so the person can easily access different things that are not too complicated. Let's enable it. Then click on Experience Now. And now the simple mode is on. You have 3 pages here. The first one is the home screen. Here are favorite contacts that you can add. And here are other apps. You can also click on all apps to see all of them. And you can see that you can open all of those like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.